In the meantime, the authorities discovered an illegal sale of medicine or food supplement for kidney cleansing after a cyber patrol operation which led to a test buy and the arrest of the suspect. Ryan Lasigues has the full report.
This man was not able to finish his meal after he was arrested by operatives of the PNP Anti-Cybercrime Group in Cagayan. The man is a suspect in the sale of an unregistered food supplement claimed to be a kidney cleansing. The ACG operation stemmed from the discovery during their cyber patrolling of the illegal sale of medicine by an alias Carl.
Advisory ang ating Food Drug Administration Office na ito ay walang assurance kasi ito ay not registered sa kanila, so ito po ay pinagbabawal. So kailangan natin na aksyonan ito kasi ito ay para sa kalusugan ng ating taong bayan. So itong dahil hindi ito properly examined or registered sa FDA, so this will possibly cause injury and bad effects sa kalusugan ng tao.
Before the operation was carried out, operatives first conducted a test buy to have the product examined by the Food and Drugs Administration or FDA. When it was confirmed that it was not registered, police immediately conducted an operation. Around 150 bottles of the food supplement worth 30,000 pesos were recovered from the suspect. According to PNP ACG Director Police Brigadier General Wilson Asueta, the suspect was first a user before becoming a seller of the food supplement.
Ang report ng ating operatiba base sa kanilang interview, so binibita niya ito sa pinakamalapit sa kanya, yung mga kapitbahay at kamag-anak. So this will possibly, kasi binili online, so ito ay posibleng lumaganap sa iba't ibang lugar.
He allegedly buys it online for 100 pesos and sells it for 200 pesos. The suspect is now detained in Cagayan and is facing charges for violation of Republic Act 9711 or the Food and Drugs Act of 2009 in relation to Section 6 of RA 1175 or the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012.
Merong 10 years of imprisonment ang nandito or a fine of 50,000 ang pinaka-ano. But depende sa amount o sa anong drugs ang nandito. So maraming ano rito merong imprisonment from 1 year but not more than 10 years.
The suspect has also been subjected to inquest proceedings. Ryan Lasigues from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.